boys and girls. It's Mrs. Richter and Eli. We're gonna read a story tonight.
Mom, don't forget about the sea turtles.
I forgot to tell you about the sea turtles, and Eli reminded me. We have a beautiful story about the sea turtles because no one can go to the beaches right now in India. 70,000 sea turtles came to lay all their eggs, and it's the first time in a few years that they've been able to do that. So we're super happy to hear about the resurgence of the sea turtle. Right?
Mm-hmm.
What story did you choose?
Since every day my mother and my father is so sleepy, and so am I. When I wake up, I'm gonna eat.
Oh, so mommy and daddy are like the bear that snores on? That's too much information. Bear snores on. Oh my goodness. Who's the bear, mommy or daddy?
I would say my dad.
In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter, sleeps the great brown bear.
I wish they had like a covering for their cave and they're still...
Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff-cold snow. The mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark, so he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear, he snores on.
That's like me. I'm trying to wake my dad up.
Oh, you're gonna get in some trouble. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. The mouse cries, "Who's there?" And the hare hops in. "Ho, mouse," says hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea.
That's like my mother. She's awake. We're both trying to wake up my dad.
The mouse sips, wee slurps, hare burps, big burps, but the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, he snuffs at the air. I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share. I've brought honey nuts, the badger says with a grin. Let's divvy 'em up, cozy down and dig in.
It's like that badger is my sister, Mary.
And they nibble and they munch with a, can you read these? Chew.
Chew. Crump.
Chomp.
Chomp. Crunch.
But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor, then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. The mole mutters, "What a night, what a storm," twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. What are they doing here?
Making tea.
Yeah, over the...
But the problem is they don't have any cups.
That looks like a problem. They don't have any cups in that picture. That's pretty good paying attention to those details. I don't see cups. Let's see what they do. Oh my goodness.
They dance?
They tweet and they titter. They chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear, he sleeps through the whole party in his very own lair.
How?
How do you think he's going to feel when he wakes up?
Bad.
How come?
Because they were making so much noise in his day.
You think so? That's why he's going to be mad?
Yeah.
Let's see if you're right.
Like noise.
But he's sleeping. He can't hear a thing. There's another reason why he's mad. You're going to have to think about it. And look what I see in the picture now.
They don't want us to. They don't want them hanging out in his cave.
He doesn't want them hanging out. What are they doing though? They're having such what?
Fun.
Yeah, he's missing all the party. And notice what I see in the picture.
A cup.
Yeah. The hare stokes the fire and the mouse seasons the stew. Then a small pepper flake makes the bear.
Achoo! Dang!
He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. Everyone stops, right? Because of that big sneeze. And the bear wakes up. How does he look? He gnarls and he snarls. The bear roars and he rumbles. The bear jumps and he stomps. The bear growls and he grumbles. What's everyone doing? What are all his friends doing?
Leaving.
They're leaving, yeah.
This is what my bear noise is.
Uh-oh. Oh no. What do you think's happening?
Crying.
Why?
He didn't miss all the fun.
He missed all the fun and now what are they doing?
I
They startled him. He woke up afraid and he got startled. So he does what bears do and he growls at them and he roars because he doesn't know what's happening. But now he does. He knows that they had a party without him and this is how he looks. You've snuck in my lair and you've had all that fun, but me, I was sleeping and I've had none. He whimpers now and he moans and he wails and he groans and the bear blubbers on. The mouse squeaks, hang on, don't fret. Don't fuss. Look and see. We can pop more corn and we can brew some more tea. Good friend or not so much?
good friend.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll do
The
it.
bear gulps, the bear gobbles, he sighs with delight, and then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on the crisp, clear dawn, the bear can't sleep.
I'm getting sleepy as well.
What is it?
But his friends snore and
So he's awake now, but all his buds are sleeping there. They'll have to get it together, right? Did you like that story, Eli?
I liked it. I should say it to you because I really choose it out. Did you like it?
I did like it. Thanks for picking the story. It was a good one.
Thanks.
We hope you had a
I
great
need a
week, and we hope you had a great time celebrating Earth Day. We wanted to say sleep tight, have a good night, and a nice weekend.